In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove multiple stories from your story highlights on Instagram. So if you are on Instagram and you are wanting to remove stories from your highlights and you are sat there removing them one by one, there is actually a way that you can remove multiple all at one time. So to do this, what you need to do is first of all head over to your Instagram app. Once you open up your Instagram app, you will obviously be sent to your Instagram feed. And from here, you need to click on your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner to head over to your profile. Once you head over to your profile, you will obviously have a list of all of your Instagram story highlights. So you need to choose the one that you want to delete stories from. So first of all, I will show you that I have 5 stories on my story highlight here. So if I just go ahead and scroll through them, you can see that I have got 5. So what you need to do now is simply click and hold on the story. Once you do that, you will get an option now to edit highlight. So if you click on edit highlight, what that will do is it will bring you to this page here, and what you can do now is you can go through and unselect as many as you want all at one time. So if I go through and unselect all of these 4 and then I click on done, what that will do is it will remove them from my story highlights, and if I click on it now, as you can see there is only one story now left on my highlights. So it's just simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.